We're looking at a snail and a worm. Did you want to turn the page? Yeah, did you want to turn the page? Good girl! Good girl! Yeah. Are you getting tired of this now? What do you think? Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl.
Is that a grasshopper?
That is, and a bee. That's a bumblebee. That's a bumblebee. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Oh, you got the page.
Good
Good
job.
See? What a good girl. There's a caterpillar and a ladybug. Nice job, honey. You're very excited about this book.
Oh, you like that's a leaf.
I know, he's eating
Look at the leaf.
He's munch, munch. Mm-hmm. Like the colors and the contrast of the black and white. Yeah.
Oh, you got the page.
You gonna turn it the other way? Oh, you
Oh
tried.
my gosh, good job.
Just not quite getting the motion. There,
Yeah.
try it over there. There
I'm done with that page.
Hey, there you go, look. You turned the page. Yeah. You turned
Oh,
it
let's
that
go back.
way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at some more ladybug.
Smart little girl. Yeah, smart little girl. I think you get the concept. You're still working up
Yep.
the execution. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. She like held it out so the pages were here, and then she just kind of started moving them. Yes. Oh no.
Looking back and forth.
Oh no.
Look at the worm.
There you go. Here's the worm. He lives in the ground. Yeah. I know. You're getting overstimulated, sweetheart.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Say good night.
Book time's over.
Night,
Good
night.
night.